Alright, so once you have your car jacked up, the oil pans will be right here to the driver's side, right here. And the socket's gonna be a 13 millimeter. Hooks right up. So just go ahead and get that loose. Alright, so once you got it loosened, just go ahead and get the pin ready. Alright, like so. It's pretty dirty. It's bad, but yeah. Just wait for all of it to come out and it should be good. Okay, so once all the oil is drained out, no more is coming, just go ahead and put the bolt back in. Alright. You just want to go ahead and tighten this, not too hard, but not too loose, you know. You don't want to over tighten it. Alright. That should be good. Nice and tidy. And then let's get out of this car. Under the car, you want to go ahead and come to the top. The filter is right there. The socket needs a 24 millimeter. Right there. So to go ahead and get this loose, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so once you have it loose, you go ahead and pop it out. There's the oil. There's the oil filter right there. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Got a little bit messy. No worries. So get the new oil one, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you got this part out, wait, here's the O-ring you need to take off. So go ahead and take that off. Like so. And put the new one in. Alright, so you should be good like so. Okay. Put that like that. That goes there. I'm just getting a little bit of oil. Okay, let's go put that there. Tighten it like so. I had the gloves on earlier, but I went to go eat. My wife made me some tacos real quick, so while I was letting the oil drain, I was eating. So I took out the gloves and didn't feel like putting on some new ones. So yeah, that's why I don't have any more gloves. Okay, that's fine. And he took out all the oil, changed the oil filter. Now you gotta do is add some new oil, and it should be good. Alright. So remember, it's 5W20. Make sure you get the right oil, not the wrong one.
Okay, so go ahead, just
Okay, so once you're done with the whole oil change and everything, just go ahead, go right here and just push OK. And it's gonna show that you're back 100% since you changed the whole oil and filter and everything, so you should be good. So that's how you change your oil on a 2018 Chrysler 300 V6. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, have a good day.